All right, we got the 285s on, but now they're rubbing the splash guard, so we're gonna remove that. See, it rubs right there. And that tire will actually turn a little bit more, and then it touches it. So it's this whole piece right here, and it comes down under the bumper, and it removes this too. So you'll actually see more tire through the bumper. Here we go. All right, here's what it looks like with the splash guards off. It was easy enough. It was like, I don't know, 12, 15 screws to get both of them out. Quadratech has a really good video on YouTube on how to take them off. But here's what it looks like. So we went from rubbing to having a ton of clearance. No rubbing issues at all. So 285s will fit on a stock JL Sport. Here's what they look like. So we had to take this whole piece off, but really, this is the only part that was rubbing. So some people just cut that out, but most people just remove the whole thing because they want the top to be removed as well. And so on that, I guess it looks better. You can see some tire through there. I don't think I would really notice one way or the other, but we had to do it. So that was all fine and dandy. I'll probably just leave them off, but the only downside about this is that the back of the bumper is exposed now. And so, like, you can see the light and it just doesn't look that good. Now, would you ever notice it just walking by? Probably not. It's what most people are doing, and most people just leave them off. But if you want to, you can cut this thing out right here with a roto tool or something, and then just put the cover back on. So the gap would still be here. It would still be clear under there. You would just have basically a plastic cover to cover all of this. Or you could replace it and put a aftermarket bumper on, which is probably what most people do. So I don't know, I'll probably leave it like that. If I get a free weekend, I might roto zip that thing out, but it would be nice if they sold it as is. If they sold this piece ready-made, already cut out, I would buy that for 20 or 30 bucks and save an hour of cutting and sanding on that thing. So, okay, final product, there you go.